Hello and welcome back to my channel guys. I'm Sneha Karmakar Ghosh and in today's video we are going to talk about what is true love. वैसे शाहरुख खान को देख के मैं बड़ी हुई हूँ और आप सब लोग भी बहुत उनको देखे होंगे एंड शाहरुख खान और काजोल की केमिस्ट्री को जब मैं बचपन में देखती थी मुझे लगता था कि that is how true love should be. But like I said, Bollywood gives us unrealistic expectations and we cannot really blame any specific gender कि आजकल के लड़के ही ऐसे हैं, आजकल की लड़कियां ही ऐसी है. आजकल actually true love का ज़माना is more replaced with practicality. कि will it work in the long run or not? But मैं आज सुबह को ही I was talking to one of my closest friends, one of my very close friends, and she was telling me her story and how that her school love ended up, both of them actually ended up getting married and they have a baby together. And that is crazy in today's world. I think that is beautiful because आजकल हम लोगों को ऐसा देखने को नहीं मिलता. And even I was not that lucky. So maybe when I asked her what does true love mean to you, so she's like, I never thought of my life without Aniket. I know Aniket also. I've been we got to know each other through my friend, and both of them make a wonderful couple and have a wonderful baby together. So yeah, and coming to my story, I think that we also have been together for a long time. So I think I am a bit qualified to talk about true love. So like I said, true love has been replaced with practicality. And I feel that it's more about finding yourself. खुद को पहले जानो, पहचानो, ढूंढो, फिर अपने लाइफ पार्टनर को मतलब तुम मिल ही जाओगे. Whatever is meant to be or whoever is meant to be in your life will be. You don't have to go about searching. But I do not know much about dating apps and आजकल के बच्चे मुझे बोलते रहते हैं Tinder and Bumble and इस सब के बारे में. तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है सुन के कि they claim to give you true love with one swipe or something, but I cannot judge because in my own family I have seen my sister get love out of, she also got married to a guy off Tinder, and we really cannot judge. When it's meant to happen, it will happen, and love finds you in the strangest of places and in the strangest. So I feel that self-love is also one of the most essential traits that is necessary for you to find your true love. So if you do not love yourself first, you will not know what are your priorities, what are your goals, ambitions, your boundaries, and your life will definitely not be on track or as organized, and you will not be attractive to the opposite sex or to your life partner, because nobody likes a man without ambition or a woman without a normal social standing. Anyways, that being said, there are exceptions always. Okay. Then there comes the concept of changing yourself. If a person loves you and really, really, really wants to love you, that person will accept you without the needing you to change. Okay. And that person वो तुमको नहीं बोलेगा या बोलेगी कि कितना खाती हो, I eat a lot and I love food, but my husband never really told me to lose weight because he just wanted me to be fit. And I think that's beautiful in itself because I have always had growing up I have always had weight issues, and we'll talk about it sometime. And I am happy being like this because this is how I identify myself. However, my husband actually wants me to be healthy. There's a difference between skinny and healthy. So he wants me to work out just to be fit, but वो भी मुझसे ना हो पाता है. That being said, there are people who really accept their partner with their flaws. Okay? However, we are all not looking for good looking or the best looking guy or girl. We are just looking for compatibility. Compatibility will lead to a good friendship. तो अगर आपका husband या boyfriend या wife या girlfriend आपका best friend नहीं है, then there are chances that you are not with the right one. Because whenever I have any problem, मुझे पहले अपने husband को बोलना ही है कि I have to tell him, I have to irritate him. If I cannot, I get even more irritated. So yeah, and even if he doesn't come up with any solution, I'll tell him just because I have to let him know. Okay, it will be a weight off me. That is like honesty, and like it comes with the right kind of person. You know that you really don't want to hide anything from them. There are some people who pretend to be your best friend even when they are trying to be with you or love you or something, but they don't really have time. Again, that being said, अपने true love को अगर आप जानते हो कि वो आपका true love है, time तो देना चाहिए. तो I miss the days when we used to go out and date. Once a week we used to go and meet. And now we are there with each other most of the time. But because of Corona, we haven't been able to go out much. Hoping that, things normalize soon. So that is what we used to, when we were dating, I remember that we used to cherish the little time that we got. I used to be scared of my mother finding out, and we used to enjoy every minute, even couple of hours, even once a week we used to get to meet, and that was precious. That is what my other friend was also saying, that when they were also dating or courting each other, they cherished those moments. So you have beautiful memories with your partner. It doesn't have to be the most lavish date, but just funny incidents and कहीं अच्छे जगह खाने चले जाना, ढाबा try करना, and because I am also a foodie, my husband also likes taking me out to nice places to eat, and it can be the weirdest, but it must have an X factor. So we used to try these cool eateries all over Kolkata. So yeah, that was really nice, and we had a great time. And I remember that every Shah Rukh Khan movie that got released, he used to force me to watch it with him because he knew that I was a big fan of Shah Rukh Khan, and he wanted me to watch however bad it was. And I really remember this Dilwale film and Harry Met Sejal. Those films, it was oh my god, why did we were just looking at each other throughout the movie. So he took care of little details. Okay, that whatever I told him, he always remembered. That was crazy good. Okay, the next point is really funny. It's it says that you can be yourself around him. Obviously, I am this crazy person and I have to be this crazy person with the people I know, and with my husband I'm even crazier. So if he cannot handle me at the worst, he does not deserve to be with me at the best. This is what I tell him all the time. And this is how we roll. And there are funny moments, and we have had crazy good memories and crazy funny memories, and I love laughing. I love chatting. So whenever I have to irritate him, and he has to pay attention. Otherwise, I just lose my temper. So these little things matter. So, and the best part is that we both are such good, buddies, that we end up, telling each other everything, whatever we do. So that is so good about our relationship, and that is what true love is about. And we both are crazy with each other and about each other. You have to be crazy with each other and about each other. Otherwise, it will not work. And like I said, you know, I firmly believe that true love एक लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रिलेशनशिप का एक ही सीक्रेट है. It doesn't matter about distance, it doesn't matter about time, it doesn't matter about your social standing or how much you earn. Only thing, looks तो आता भी नहीं है उसमें. Only and only thing is that your partner should love you much more than you do. Like my husband should love me much more than I love him for it to last, and for him I should love him more than he loves me. Like, you know, that way, you know, there'll always be this connection between each other and we'll always be together. So this is the most and the most important underlying point in any long lasting relationship. Hope you find your relationship to be true also. Like, I hope that you all find your soulmate. And on this note, I end today's video. Bye bye. Take care. And you see this lipstick, it's a really pretty shade, and it's shade number 2 from Berompt, and the swatch is on my IGTV, so please check it. And bye bye, take care.